Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will be working on text to speech script on Python. For Python I have already created a tutorial in which you will get to know the basics of Python so that you can understand easily these codes. So like I have seen, you can see here I have written arithmetic operators, comparison operators, a basic hello world, how you can print hello world, and also the pip installer packages where you can copy the packages and modules and directly use those in your code. So just check out these for basic Python and you will get to know the basics of Python. Now in this tutorial I am going to write certain text and this Python module will automatically change it to voice, or it's a kind of voiceover for the text which I have provided. So I will name the file as texttospeech.py, py for Python. Now I am going to import this gdts and this will be done through the pip command. So installer packages are available in the Python and you can directly import those in your code, and these are easy to use and quite handy for many work to be done easily. So for that I am going to import this gdts. So I'll write pip install this gdts which is already available for open source. So as you can see, this has been installed successfully. Now after this you can see the error has been removed. Through this gdts we will be changing the text which has been provided, and through the operating system, or you can say OS, we will be running the latest text to voice data which is provided. So I am going to create a variable. I'll name it as object tts, and this object tts will be using this gdts to run the data or text which we have provided. So I'll provide the method data text. This is text to speech or text sound, and I will change the locale, that in which locale it is being used. For that I'll provide the language as EN for English, and it will be pronounced in the English language. Also, whether you want to make it slow or false or slow or fast, you make it accordingly. So I don't want it to be slow, so for that I made slow equal to false. Now I'm going for this OS and run it on my local machine. For that I'll save this object with a name of welcome.mp3, and I will ask my operating system to play this sound. So I will write os.system, and inside that I will just say welcome.mp3 to be executed. That's it. So this is a basic, I would say, text to speech, and this can be easily provided in the code. Now I have started.
This is text sound.
As you can see, it is coming. Now I want this text to be provided in certain other variable. So I will name my variable as my text, and let me provide it here above that. So this is a variable, my text, and I will assign the value of this variable, and let me provide certain other values like this is from text to speech on Play Java or Python on Play Java, and I will run it. And
this is from text to speech on Python on Play Java.
Yeah, now this voice is coming. Now I will do certain modification. I will change from this slow false to slow true. I will make the sound to come little bit slow. Now let me run it.
This is from text to speech on Python on Play Java.
In this way we can easily change the data and easily can modify the text and use in our system. You can provide the front end box for execution of this text data and send it in the backend, and backend code of this Python will easily run your text to speech. Either it be mobile, Android, or either it be operating system. You can easily use on the basis of whatever operating system you are using. Thank you all for watching this AI series. Just check out more videos which will be coming up for the AI series.